Hey guys, want to make your video sound super professional? Let me show you how to easily add a voiceover to your video in Canva. No fancy software needed. Just follow these quick steps and you will be adding your voice to your projects in minutes. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to video using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first, let's know what is Canva if it's your first time to join or to face this website, which is canva.com. If you already have an account here, you have just to click over here, profile, and you click over home, or you can just log in to find your account, or you can just click over sign up to get started and you find your account. It's very easy. It's like all the platforms and websites. You have just to add your email address and your password and you get started with this platform as well. So let's get started. First, let's know what is Canva. If it's your first time to see this platform or this website, I already have and did this kind of videos about how to send something here and how to also create other things such as if documents, whiteboard, presentations, social media and video and website. You have just to stick around until the end because I will guide you in the step by step how to create or how to add a voiceover using Canva. Alright, so Canva is a super user friendly design tool that helps you create stunning visual and videos with ease, whether you are adding voiceovers or customizing templates, all without needing any design experience. It's also free, easy to use online tool that lets you create beautiful designs like social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. So you don't need any design skills, just drag and drop elements to make your project look professional. So after you're signing up, you will find this page. You have just to search for video. For example, I will just search for video birthday because I will just work right now with video birthday. And right now we'll find here various templates. You can just select the one you want, and here we have it right now. Just to click over seal, or you can just here click over filters after clicking over seal, and you filter if you want the free one or the white one, and also select here the category if it's business, social media. Once you click over social media, you find various things also, and it's the same with each one. Here you select here the specific one you want. If it's also style and theme, language, also we have a feature, grade, subject, then we have topic, price as well. I will select here the free one, and then I will select the white one because I like white and also my friend like white, that's why. So I will select this one for example, or you can just here come back to the home page and just click over here in the top left over create a design, and you select here this videos. So we have other options such as document, but I will select videos because that's why I will run right now. I will click over video, then you will find other page, which is this one. As you can see here we have this templates as you can see, and we have here 5 seconds. You can just modify it as well, and you put here more and more if you want. For example, I will just select here 15. I will just come back and I will select here 10 seconds, and here we have it right now. And then you have to select the background if you want, because here we have my template, my own template as you can see. So you have to choose the background as I said and as I mentioned, or you can just go and you select here uploads and you upload your files that you want. So we have just to go to the Google and you search for the template and you search more and more and you select your template that you want. Also, you can just here go to the design and you search for video birthday like that, and you will find here this templates as you can see. I will select for example this one as you can see, and right now I will just here modify it right now. All right, so firstly let's just delete in this one because my friend it's not Olivia. And right now I will just go to the elements and I will search for happy birthday here. I'll search for video birthday firstly. If I found something or videos better than this one, I will select it. Alright, so I will just go to the graphics right now and I will just scroll down here and I will select here happy birthday. So let's just searching for it, and let's just selecting this one. I will just put it here small. Alright, as you can see, and I'll put it in the left, and then I will click over happy birthday here like that. And right now I will just add a voiceover. So we have our template how it looks. And right now I will just go to the uploads and I will click over record yourself, and I will get started on the record yourself. So I will just click over record. Here we have 3, 2, 1, and happy birthday to my friends. You are not my friends, you are more than that. You are my brother. I wish you all good in your life. Then here we have done, and I will click right now on the save and exit and the top right. Then you will find it here as you can see, and I will
Happy
just
birthday
select one of
to my
these right
friends.
now. I will select this one, so I will delete because I already have a new one here. You can also add your profile or your photo if you want, put it in the top, and right now I will just click over here share. So we
Happy
have it how it
birthday
looks
to my
firstly,
friends. You are not my friends,
as
you
you
are
can
more
see.
than that. You are my brother.
And this one it's for my brother. I will just show it right now, or you can just here scroll down and you go to the application, then you have to scroll down and you will find here other things that could help you guys, which is audio here. So I will just select here audio right now, and I will here search for the names that I want. If it's music, happy, or Christmas as well, I will just click over here and I will select happy birthday like that. Then I will select here this one as you can see, and here we have it right now.
Happy birthday.
You can also delete your voice and you have just to keep this one. I will just here click over here and I will keep only this one. And if you have happy birthday, how it looks right now. Alright? So let's just repeat it right now. We have
Happy
happy birthday.
birthday!
Alright, so right now after doing all these things, you can also you add QR code if you want, and you have your brand. If you want to draw also for your friend, you just to select your color. If you don't have it here, you have just to click over color and just select the color that you want. Also, if you did a mistake, you have just to here click over razor, or you can just click over here and do. We'll just delete first this one, and here we have it right now how it looks, right? So right now all I have to do is just click over share in the top right and you select here see all. You have here the option of here see this template. I will click over present and I will select here present full screen. You have to select also presenter view link, present and record, and here we have it right now. I will click over next. Then I will just go to the recording and I will show my face. Then I will get started right now. Also, we have a public view link. If you want to make it public, we can just copy to clipboard, website also. If you want to save to folder, send to phone, embed, present and record, template link, present and public view link. Also, we have here the option of download if you want. You have just to click over download and you select here the option that we have. If it's JPG, PDF start, PDF print, CVZ, and we have a GIF, PPT, X, Microsoft PowerPoint document. If you want to have it MP4 videos, and here we have it right now. So Canva is a super user-friendly design tool that helps you create stunning visuals and videos with ease, whether you are adding voiceovers or customizing templates, all without needing any design experience. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.